Welcome to Drawlipper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check screen time in your Samsung Galaxy A05 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to digital well-being and parental controls. And that's it. Now from here you can check your screen time. You can see today in my phone screen time is almost 5 hours, and you can check yours from here. Also, if you tap on this icon, from here you can check your weekly screen time details. Now if you go back, and from here you can check your most used apps. Now if you tap here, from here you can check dashboard. If you want to see app details, just tap on apps, and that's it. Now if you go back again, if you want to set timers for app, just tap here, and here it is. From here you can set timer for any app. And that is how you can check screen time in your Samsung Galaxy A05 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.